yes sinenkinga entsha sinenkinga entsha lalela i-Iran ikhiphe umsebenzi and abantu base-Iran badonate bonke towards umsebenzi. Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntu omnyama, bathi abantu base-Iran bazonika anyone ozokwazi ukuqhweba uDonald Trump, bazomnika u-$40 million. Uphumile umsebenzi. Asiqale. Let's go back asibuyele emuva to the very beginning. Understand ukuthi January 2020 a senior Iranian military commander was unalived in a US drone strike, and then i-Iran responda ngokuthumela ama-missiles, but i-Iranians are sure ukuthi kuleyo US base no one was unalived. Ngiyawubona umehluko. Understand ukuthi they also made a promise i-Iran ukuthi i-revenge will be served long and calculated. And so within weeks, i-Iranian media announced kubantu ukuthi sine-donation campaign. Fast forward a few years and a few months, i-Iran busy iyadonate, and then allegedly khona someone owabona umsebenzi ngoba umsebenzi ukhishiwe, and then wayesezama ukwenza umsebenzi, but unfortunately wahluleka. We all remember that, angithi? And then immediately after that happened, they did an investigation. Kule investigation, base find out ukuthi yile nsizwa that did umsebenzi, right? Allegedly. And then what they told us, ukuthi le nsizwa was working alone, ukuthi he was motivated by the idea yokuthi akamthandi President Trump. That's what they told us, right? Hlakanipha-ke mntu omnyama and understand ukuthi the fund reportedly raised over $20 million in the first year. Yes, contribution came from ey'ndaweni ey'ningi, small public donations from abantu amalungu omphakathi, community members. Yes, large anonymous transfers exceeding u-500,000 from abantu abahlala in other countries. Yes, understand ukuthi roughly 70% of the donors were domestic, abantu abahlala lapho, and estimated 30% came from abantu from other continents, other communities. Indawo ey'fana njenge-Iraq, i-Lebanon, i-Syria, Europe, everyone is helping out ekutheni ukuthi kwenziwe lo msebenzi. Understand, because of isitha, Iran's inflation rate is sitting at 40 to 50% njengamanje. I-currency yase-Iran devaluated, yehlile by over 80%. Understand ukuthi it is estimated ukuthi ama-sanctions